Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of Easy Cook, where I'll be bringing you guys recipes that you can easily prepare at your home. In this episode, I'll be air frying pork belly, and for this I have 1.5 pounds of small cut pork belly, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, which is low sodium soy sauce I'm using. If you prefer regular soy sauce, you're more than welcome to use it, but just be careful on the salt that you're gonna be using. I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of cumin and coriander powder mix, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and I have a couple of optional ingredients that you can use for flavor and something for crispiness. And for those, I have 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil that's gonna add flavor for it. So first of all, I'm gonna add olive oil on this bowl, then soy sauce, I'm gonna add pork belly, I'm gonna mix the ginger garlic paste and all of these ingredients. Add the sesame seed oil. Honey. I'm gonna first mix it up with the help of a fork over here. Right now, once I mix this, I'm gonna vigorously shake this bowl so the ingredients are gonna be mixed from the shaking as well. You can use something like a Ziploc bag and shake it easily, but I'm gonna use this bowl itself to shake it. I'm just making sure that it's evenly distributed right now, all these ingredients that we just used. Now I'm gonna close the lid of this. Oh shit, make it rusty. Now we're gonna wait like 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes since we marinated pork belly. Now we're gonna preheat this air fryer. And before we do that, however, let's spray cooking oil on this so we do not stick any pork chops on it. And now we're gonna preheat this air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degree Fahrenheit. So let's start. Okay, now the air fryer has been preheated for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the pork belly cuts in the air fryer. Alright, now I'm gonna shake it a little bit. It looks like it's evenly distributed across the plate. Now I'm gonna set the timer for 18 minutes. I like crispy, so in 18 minutes it's gonna be crispy. So I'm gonna heat it at 400 degrees as well. So all right, the wait starts now. We are now halfway point of this timer, so what we're gonna do is remove this. You see all these things like one giant pile, so we're gonna shake this up vigorously again, and now you see like individual pork belly cuts, and I'm gonna put it back in and wait the rest of the 9 minutes. It's been now 18 minutes. Let's see if it's cooked properly. It looks good and ready to be served. So now let's put it in our dinner plate. So the serving plate is ready. I have mixed chopped onions with air fried pork belly. I have rice. I like seaweed along with this, and ginger, carrots, and cucumber. And I have this sauce over here, which is all-purpose sauce, which is Mang Thomas all-purpose sauce, which you can find in any Asian store. And I like my dinner with sake, so I have sake. Hope you like this video. Please do hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to share.